Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, May 16th, 2016, and U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, on Friday I said I just had a gut feeling that things are going to get better for today. The stocks seem to be turning right on near the close on Friday, and I can say, absolutely correct. That's exactly what happened. We had a decent day today. You can see the Dow made its low down here on Friday, late Friday, and this morning it really exploded, and the Dow ended up closing up 175 points. We got into a whopping 20 positions on this move. 12 of them are positive, 8 are negative. We improved our open trade, although not by quite as much as I would have liked to. We still closed out negative $2,500 on what we closed out. Unfortunately, we got into one really, or we're carrying one trade that really went to the dogs. I'll show you that in a second. But still, negative 2,500 isn't too bad. The good news, the positive news, is that we are carrying over $15,000 positive going into tomorrow. So that looks real good. The Dow, you can see here, it was powering up all day long, but I didn't like this hook right at the end, the last hour or so. And because the Dow has been doing this crazy stuff of going down one day, up the next, down one day, up the next, and because of this hook, I'm going to have to call the Dow down for tomorrow. I hope I'm wrong. I still think that we can get out of our positions with profits tomorrow. In the aftermarket today, things look pretty stable. So even if we do have a down open tomorrow, I think we'll be okay. But we'll just have to say. But my call for tomorrow is down for the Dow. I'll show you a few, 3 of our trades. I'll show you the dog first. It's unfortunate we had this, but it happens. This is Sunrun, and we had bought this on Friday. Didn't do anything, but it really didn't close against us by anything either. And then we get this nasty gap down right on the open, stops us out there, and that sucker costs us over $5,000. No, excuse me, just under $5,000. It was basically a $5,000 loss. And that's what put us into negative territory on the stuff we closed out. Nevertheless, we got some good trades. I'm going to show you, I showed you this on Friday. I'm going to show you again. This is Degaz, Inverse Natural Gas. And I showed you on Friday, we bought this thing on the gap on Friday, and then it just went against us here really, really bad. We're down like $3,000 or something here. Then it comes back, and it comes back to neutral. We're not holding any profits on the close, but I think I told you on Friday it was up a little in the aftermarket. So I was predicting we would see some good profits in Degaz for today, and we sure did. Look at this huge gap we got in Degaz this morning, and we are holding over $5,000 in open trade in Degaz. So that proved to be just really, really good. And finally, the biggest trade of the day was a surprise. This is VTAE, which is Vitae Pharmaceuticals. I don't know if we've had a trade for a while on this. And anyway, we had bought this Friday about the 3rd hour and went against us. It looked like a really crappy trade. and then it just takes off today. And I trade three platforms. I'm showing you TradeStation 4.0. TradeStation 4.0 just stayed with this. In the other platforms, they actually took of small profits in VT and then re-entered the next bar. But all three platforms did great with this, carrying this all the way to a close near the high here, and we are holding $6,500 profit in Vitae Pharmaceuticals. So all this looks real good to me. You know, it just confirms what I felt the market was doing on Friday. It was setting up for a run here, and hey, I hope I'm wrong on the Dow, and I hope we have great follow through tomorrow. We'll just have to see. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.